change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. This is our last full day in Orlando before we fly home. I've got Lee peeking around the door. He's hurt his ear this morning, he's got something wrong with his ear and I don't know what. But yeah, this is our last full day in Orlando, so we are going to the Premium Outlets International Drive because Beth wants to go to the Bath and Body Works outlet, I believe, was it?
What's she got?
Huh?
Is she packed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told her she's got to have room in her case.
I was going to say, 'cause does she know that she's actually got room, or?
She said she has, so. So yeah, we're going to the Bath and Body Works outlet at the International Drive Premiums and Disney Character Warehouse if we can get in there. We may go to the Violent ones as well. It just depends, basically. But it may be a case if we go to the Violent ones, he may wait in the car. It's the material, babe. It's the shape. It's the material. It's not.
Looks like someone's tried painting me.
It's the pattern. So yeah. Anyway, as I was
Sorry.
rudely interrupted.
Come to get my watch.
Yeah, so that's and then we plan to do some.
Bye-bye.
We plan to do some gift shops on the 192. Do you know the cheap tacky ones that you can get? I haven't got much more space in my cases, and I've got 2 cases because we're premium economy.
I've got to buy another piece.
Lee's got to buy another case because I bought him his birthday present out here and didn't think how we were going to get it home.
Oh yeah.
Did I?
No, it's silly.
But
No, it's not.
he wanted it, and in all fairness, it was a
like
really.
300 quid cheaper.
It was £300 cheaper than what it would have been in the UK, so I think it come to like £150 in our money. So it was really good, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
So
Oh, sorry.
stop prodding your ear. I don't know. He's got something wrong with his ear. He's got grommets, but I don't know what he's done. But his ear's hurting. But he keeps prodding it. He won't leave it alone. So anyway, guys, that's the plan for today. The aircon guy's coming out to fix this aircon. I'll be glad to see the back of it because it's been an absolute nightmare. Yeah, we fly home tomorrow, so last full day. So let's go and have fun and make the most of it.
Okay guys, so we are now on the I4. Louise has got her big girl pants on again. She's doing the driving, isn't you, babe?
Yeah.
And she's doing a fantastic job yet again. What she's contending with. Keep recording. So this is what she's contending with at the moment. It is very, very traffic congested. There is a lot of cars. If you look in the mirror coming up behind us, but she knows what to do. She knows exactly what to do, don't you? Just keep your
Eye on the mirrors.
Yep, just keep your speed, keep your eye on the mirror.
And keep an eye in front of you.
Yeah, and let the nutters, if they want to go past, let them go past. It was a bit slow. I did want to show you old style Winnebago that was in
But you forgot you had the camera.
yeah, in the other lane, but I forgot that I actually had the camera on me. And I'm not used to being in the passenger seat and being able to do all the filming. So if it does come past again, I'll have the camera ready to show you this time.
It's not that far behind.
Nah. It says there's police up here somewhere. Okay, so if I do see the Winnebago, guys, I will get it on film because it's an old school, proper old school camper, and I love seeing that. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you now. Right, here he goes. Look at that.
You prat.
That's an old
Excuse my language.
old style Winnebago towing a June buggy.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, that's so cool. So we have arrived, we have made it.
I did it.
Yep, she did it all again.
Drove to the outlets.
This was a bit more,
Scarier.
yeah, little. That was the next level up, wasn't it? That
Yeah.
was sort of grade 2 driving, that one.
That was quite scary.
So on the way home will be grade 3. That's when I start poking her the entire way home.
Excuse me.
Because she's got a handle having kids and noises in the car, so
No, you're not going to annoy me.
got to turn the stereo up.
No.
Keep prodding her.
No.
Mummy, we there yet?
No.
We there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
I don't like that.
When are we there?
That's Cadia.
So
Ken's.
we've just got to park up.
Look
Go to the right side of the road first.
Yeah, we've just got to park up, and then obviously we can go in and have a look
Doesn't
around.
look like this.
Here we are. In park, handbrake on. Perked. Scrap that. Parked, first time.
That's a blue badge.
Blue badge is there. What?
It's not there. Okay guys, so we're waiting for Beth and Sienna to come out of Bath and Body Works outlet. God knows how much she spent in there. Got to do my bag again. But there's some nice stuff in there. But I still don't think it's that cheap, do you?
I no. Well, I don't know. I don't really look around.
We don't really go to Bath and Body Works in the UK, so
somewhere I go.
it's definitely cheaper than like the you know, the normal Bath and Body Works stores, but they don't tend to have a lot of deals on. I find them very expensive. I honestly don't know what the big hype with Bath and Body Works is. They've got some nice candles, but I've
Again,
heard,
a lot of the stuff that we would probably use, like they got the plug-ins.
yeah.
Unfortunately, there's no point for anyone who's here on holiday because they're 2-pin sockets.
They're
which
good
we
if
ain't
you're
got.
on holiday. You can
Yeah.
use them in your apartment and
Oh
that.
yeah, you can bring it with you or buy it while you're here. But I
but-
don't know if there's an adapter that you can buy
Yeah, it is.
to turn our sockets into
Yeah.
America.
Yeah, you can.
Can you?
Yeah. So it might be something we could look into. But yeah, so I don't find them that cheap, to be fair. There's not many deals in here. There seems to have more deals in the normal shop, but I honestly don't see what all the rage is about Bath and Body Works, do you? The first time we come over here, someone said, like, try out Bath and Body Works, it's amazing, obviously really good stuff, really cheap. I walked in, straight back out again. So we're just waiting for them to come out, and then we're going to go to the character warehouse. Hopefully it's not a queue.
Hey guys, I don't know about you, but do you sometimes find it annoying when you go around and go into all these different shops and like their stalls and stuff, and you're looking around, but they don't put a price on anything? So every time you want to know, you see something you like the look of, you've got to keep going to the counter and saying, how much is this? How much is this? How much is that? I don't know about you, but that really annoys me. I don't want to keep going and asking, because then you feel like you're obliged to, you know, to buy it instead of going elsewhere. I don't like that idea. Let us know in the comments, obviously, how you feel about it, because I think it's wrong.
So we're back in the van. Aircon's much appreciated. I got what I wanted at the character warehouse. Lee got what he wanted.
Yeah, I did.
He wanted another holdall to get all his stuff back, because he was a little bit worried about that. But he managed to get that all back, or get a bag to get all that back. And then we're just going to head back to the villa, I think, and just chill. I might let the kids go in the pool for a little while. But we're going to go back to the villa, chill, and then go out for dinner later. I'm not sure what we're going to do, where we're going to go.
Oh my god, please let us in the pool.
But it is going to be a rushed morning tomorrow, so I don't think we're going to have time to do steak and shake tomorrow, so it's going to be tonight probably for dinner. But if the others don't want it, they can go to KFC across the road. But that's
Something else there for you, too.
That's the plan, I think. Okay guys, so we're back at the villa. We've been back a little while now. We're just kind of finishing up packing the last little bits. Running around packing the kids' stuff as well, because they're an absolute nightmare and don't know how to pack a case. So we've pretty much done everything. The only bits we've got out is just like cables and stuff that we're using like to charge our phones and stuff, because obviously everything's got to be charged to go through security. You don't want to go home. This one doesn't want to go home. None of us want to go home, do we?
I'm saving this for on the plane.
What, breakfast time? Yeah, because their breakfast is horrible on the plane, isn't it?
I bought one of these in Walmart, so.
Little pot of Frosties, because if last time there's anything to go by, it was a cheese and ham croissant.
Just cheese.
Or just cheese croissant.
Yeah, and I'm not.
And it wasn't even warm, was it?
No, I'm not a big fan of cheese.
So yeah, we basically pretty much not got much to do other than, like I said, the leads and stuff we need to make sure everything's charged. I think we plan on getting to the airport quite early tomorrow, like about 5 hours before. Well, that's what I do, because we've never flown out from MCO before, so we don't know what the security's like or anything like that. We can only fly from Tampa. Kids have had one last dip in the pool, haven't you? You're going to miss the pool. You're going to miss the pool, are you?
I've only just had to swim in the deep end.
Have you? But we'll be back in
November.
So we'll be back in November.
And
Not to this villa. After the trouble we've had with this villa. Won't be coming back here again.
Butlin.
And we're going Butlins in 21 days?
10 days after Madison's birthday.
10 days after Madison's birthday.
6th of May.
On the 6th of May, we're going to Butlins. So look out for them vlogs. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. We're going to go out and get some dinner. Steak and Shake and KFC. Some want KFC, some want Steak and Shake. Me obviously want Steak and Shake.
I want a steak burger.
Katie wants a steak burger. I'm not sure what Kenzie's having. But Kenzie's been scoffing his face all day. So yeah, it's just literally just going around tidying up the last little bits, stripping the beds,
Food in the pantry.
putting the washing in the machine. It's stressful. It is stressful packing at home with kids, but it's also stressful packing to go home with them, because some little lady doesn't like packing, do you?
No.
Left it all to mummy, didn't you?
I did.
You did most of it.
Yeah, I did put all my clothes away at least. At least that's a good start.
Yeah.
I didn't put all my camera away and everything.
No, she didn't put anything away, so you're welcome to me helping you.
You're welcome.
So yeah, we're gonna go out and get some dinner, and then we're just gonna have an early night, up early tomorrow. We've got to be at the villa by 10, and we'll catch you on travel home day. So keep watching, guys. Okay guys, so that's the end of our last day today. We haven't filmed much because obviously we've been shouting at the kids to do their packing and everything. We asked them to do several things and they didn't do it. So
told them to leave home, I don't know how many times.
yeah, told them to leave home how many times, I don't know.
Dad, you're never going to get rid of me.
No,
Two people left home.
Yeah. So, we're headed back to the villa now. Kids are going to be going to bed early and up early tomorrow morning. Time to go home. I always hate travel. I hate when we have to go home. But it's not gone too quick, has it?
Nah, it's not.
It's not gone too slow, and it's not gone too quick. Yeah, it's gone about right. And I think being 5 hours behind the UK does help a lot, doesn't it? It makes the holiday seem like it's going slower. Beth thinks the holiday's gone fast, but she's never been here before where we have. I don't think it's gone fast.
Not fast, but
I think it's actually gone quite slow. It doesn't feel like it was only 3 weeks ago we came out here. It feels like we came out here a lot longer. Didn't you think?
Yeah.
Feels like we've been out here longer than 3
The thing
weeks.
is, every time you come out here, you always feel like you just slop straight back in
Yeah.
where you left off.
But
So it feels like we've been here for years.
me, Lee, Kenzie, Madison and Kadia will be back in November. So keep a lookout for them vlogs in a few months. But we've got lots more plans for the next few months. So stay tuned for that.